So what you got going for Thanksgiving?
You know what? I'd like to spend some time with family and friends.
Yeah.
And you know, while we're on the subject, I'd like you to meet a buddy of mine. This is Tom the turkey. Actually, he's a miniature turkey.
Where'd you get him?
From the Gordy Mini Turkey Farm.
Oh.
Yeah. So anyway, what we're going to do, or what we have here, is I made some modifications to the pumpkin launcher.
Looks awesome.
And so I feel like our moms spend way too much time in the kitchen during Thanksgiving. So anyway, we've got a turkey launcher. It basically defeathers, butters, and roasts the turkey. And we've got our oven down there, and we're going to hit it into the oven, and that oven is set at about, I don't know, 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's completely inaccurate.
And have you had time to test it yet?
I really haven't. This will be our first go around. So anyway, with Tom's blessing, we're going to see if we can't get this thing to fire up.
Let's see what we got.
All right. Like I said, Grandma, the turkey's done, 1,200 degrees. It only took 2 hours. Delicious.
It tastes like a hot dog.
It's got a smoke flavor I don't really care for. Paul, you come from a long line of pilgrims?
Long line, and you know, just really enjoy the whole Thanksgiving, and so glad that everybody gets to spend it with us.